Hey, what's up? My name is Michael. I'm the R&D manager at Eibach. So this is my 2016 Ford Transit with the EcoBoost motor. It's a 3.5. It's the same that's in the F-150. We built a set of custom coilovers for it. They're height adjustable reservoir shocks in the front, with some cool 16-inch Ultra wheels with some all-terrains on there. In the back we did the same. We built a custom set of shocks with a compression adjuster. Just gives it a better ride and a little adjustability. Built a roof rack for it that houses the solar, so there's 200 watts of solar up there, some LED lights, because you have to. Then built the custom rear bumper for it, so it's got a hitch built into it. It's got a little generator box, gas can holders, and a spare tire carrier. The future plans for the van, kind of finish up the exterior. We're going to build a front winch bumper for it, which should be cool, and then a full interior build out. So it'll have beds, a full kitchen, and seating for 5 with arrangements to fit dirt bikes, mountain bikes, whatever I want to throw in there. Yeah, so that's my van.